Hi everyone, this is Linda, and somebody had asked in one of the Facebook groups about using QuickFont using the Complimentary Viking or Pfaff software. So to find that, where you're going to go is you're going to come down here at the very bottom once you open it up, and you're going to click on that little, it looks like a green cross. We're going to click on that, and then we're going to pick on Premier+2 QuickFont. And this is going to pop up, and it's going to allow you to choose any true type font that exists on your computer. Now there are places that you can actually download fonts and do those kinds of things. We're just going to go ahead and pick on one, and we're going to do Caveat just because it's something different, and I've not done it before. You're not going to change the style. You can do that. You can go to bold, you can go to italic, you can go to bold italic, but we're just going to leave it like that on regular. And I'm not going to use it in the Premier+2 software. I'm going to actually use it for my machine, so I'm going to have to put it to a USB stick. So here is my, for using in my embroidery machine, I choose Husqvarna Viking because that's what I have. The character set is, there's some additional information that you can find. If you go to the help here, you can actually read through all of the help information to find out how to do that. We're going to hit next. And you get different options. Now the satin options gets pretty small, but I'm going to go and make it just a little bit bigger so we can actually see this. I'm just going to pick on outline because I kind of like that. And it's going to convert it, and it's going to show you over here on the side what it's going to look like. It's going to set a default based on the kind of option you chose. The reason I show you that is because if I left that at satin, the output size is very small, so you can actually create it pretty small. But we're going to go back to outline, and outline is going to require it to be a little bit bigger, just like if you were trying to create an applique. So we're going to leave it at that, and then we don't worry about the thread color or anything like that, because this is just a one color one. If I was doing the applique or something else, it might be different. And then I'm going to need to tell it where I need to save it to, so I need to find my USB stick. So I'm going to pick on those three little dots there, and I'm going to go find my USB stick. USB drive, and do OK. So it's going to save it to my USB stick, and then I'm going to hit finish. And so what it's going to do is it's going to create a file. So I'm going to actually set this to remove from my computer, so I'm going to safely remove that. And then I'm going to pull it up on my machine, so give me a second. Okay, so I'm going to use my Epic to do this. Basically, it's going to be the same process no matter which machine you're going to use. So I put my USB stick in, and it's got that new font that I'm going to use. So I'm going to go to the letter. I'm going to actually make this a smaller hoop. Just go even smaller here. Oh, that's good. All right, so to do this, what I need to do is actually go to my folders. So I'm going to go to the folder, and the USB stick I want to use happens to be number 2. Okay, so it was actually called Caveat. So we're going to run down, and there's a whole bunch of other things on my machine, so on my USB stick. So we're going to go to Caveat, which is this one, and I'm going to actually hold it to open it. And it's going to automatically bring up the keyboard. So now I can just type in, and I'm going to type in my letters that I want to use. And there it is. And that's basically all there is to it. It's pretty simple. I'll close that back out. So you could take and create any font that you want to use directly and use it directly in your machine. Thanks.